Local election headquarters, and the race for Bossier District Judge is on. Fox 33's Asia Tabb sat down with both candidates to learn more about their platform. She joins us now in studio to tell us more about the two candidates who qualified for the position. Asia?
Yeah, Jackie, both candidates running for the job are Republicans and assistant district attorney. Now, the bench came open when previous Judge Charles Jacob resigned. Now, Jacobs turned in his robe to be Bossier Mayor Tommy Chandler city attorney when he took office in July. Now, both candidates sat down with me individually to pitch their campaign to voters. Allie Aiello-Stahl has been in the courtroom for 10 years.
I've tried numerous misdemeanor and felony bench trials in our district court. I've also successfully argued a case at the Louisiana Supreme Court which strengthened our sex offender registration requirements.
And Doug Stinson tells me he spent 14 years in the courtroom.
I had a lot of different jury trials, especially murder cases, rape cases, attempted murders, and I'm going to continue to be tough on violent crime.
Those trials earned him numerous endorsements from local law enforcement, including Bossier Parish Sheriff and Bossier City Marshal.
And I'm going to continue to be tough on violent crime and support law enforcement when they do the job well, back them up every way I can.
Allie has taken a different approach, what she calls her integrity pledge, which means no endorsements from politicians and outside influences.
I believe that I will be able to be fair and impartial. There will be no appearance even that I have any sort of favoritism towards anyone. I'll just be able to be fair and impartial and decide cases based on what you should decide cases on, which is the laws, the facts, and our Constitution.
If elected, Allie would be the first female judge in Bossier and Webster parishes. But she tells me being a female is not the foundation of her campaign or even legacy.
I don't want anybody to think that I would ask anyone to vote for me just because I'm a female. That's not what I'm doing. I am a qualified female, but I do think that I will be able to bring an additional perspective to our judicial court that we have never had before.
And if Doug is elected, he tells me his legacy will reflect fairness while upholding the law.
I would want my legacy to be that I applied the law as written, that I was fair to everyone that entered the courtroom, that my courtroom was colorblind, and justice was for everyone that entered the courtroom.
And for Bossier and Webster residents, tomorrow is your last day to vote early, but the big election day is next Saturday, March 26th. Jackie, back to you.
All right, thank you very much, Asia.